back again. Holy feckin' cow. Right, I've done a few mountain roads before, over hills and so on. This Sheep's Head drive is unreal. It's 1 car width, grass in the middle of the road. I have footage from the handlebars of the bike so you'll see that. I looked over my shoulder at one stage and I had to put my head, I always look over my shoulder, I'm fucker for looking around me. But I looked over at one stage and I saw this drop and I went, oh, gave me the willies. I generally don't have a fear of heights. So I'm up at Seaview Point, heading towards Sheep's Head. I'm just gonna quickly, I'll turn this around now in a second, just to show you where I am. Look at this. Fuck. I just saw the road I have to go down. Mind you, that's the same as coming up. So what you see down there now, actually, let's see. I know it won't do it justice, so I'll take a few photographs. Mother of God. This is heaven. Just for the fun of it. There's a wee path here. And seeing him here, I'm a nosy fucker. I'll take photographs now in a second. Water, ground, in their extremity. No idea what that means. But I'm so glad I'm taking my time today. I will have to come back down and get other places of interest. But I don't care. Because what I'm doing and looking at the moment, actually I'd say you could walk up to that cliff. Not that I am. So there's the 2 Wild Atlantic Way signposts. There's one there and one there where I'm parked. Some holy place over there. Another walk. My God, this is unbelievable. So somewhere down that way is where I drove up, and I mean, it was narrow. Right, I'll go further astray. I'm heading towards Sheep's Head itself. No idea where that is. It's somewhere over that way. I'm going to take a few photographs now. One last quick look. I know the sun's going to be in your face, but that's just extreme. So, do my next waffle. Slán.
I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. Made me treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you're talking and where you're walking, or you and your homies might be lined in chalk. I really hate the trip, but I gotta load. As they croak, I see myself in the pistol smoke. Ooh, I'm the kind of G the little homies wanna be like, on my knees in the night, saying prayers in the street light. Been spending most their lives living in the gangster's paradise. They've been spending most their lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most our lives living in the gangster's paradise. Look at the situation they got me facing. I can't live a normal life. I was raised by the streets, so I gotta be down with the hood team. Too much television watching got me chasing dreams. I'm an educated fool with money